All right, Dieter, go for it.
To become a working pro, you need experience.
Sure.
God, we're right there. Don't move.
How do you build experience without working knowledge, without a network of people in the know?
There is just so much to learn.
Without other pros telling you good enough is not good enough.
Action.
Unless you are actually committed, there's no way. There's just no way.
Did we got this? Do you want to shoot more? I want to shoot more.
It's not just about the fundamentals.
I love it. Again.
You have to go all in.
Clients or our audience is seeing thousands of images a day. How do we stop them for just a second to go?
I love that. Perfect.
At Pro EDU, we bring you the top working professionals.
Hey, my name's Danae Robin.
My name's Kate Woodman.
I'm Tony Roseland.
My name's Jake Hicks.
I'm Barry McKenzie.
To share their secrets of success in the most demanding of markets. And push you to become the thriving, working pro you want to be. At Pro EDU, we put the same level of care and quality into our work, from how we plan, produce, and deliver your education. We believe you should never stop learning. Pro EDU. Watch, learn, create.